Imagine writing a few lines of code and generating realistic images, human-like text, or even music. This is the power of generative models, and today we'll break them down for developers like you. Generative models are AI systems that don't just analyze data, they create. From GPT for text to Stable Diffusion for images, these models are revolutionizing industries. But how do they work? At their core, generative models learn patterns from massive data sets. They build a probability distribution and generate new data that mimics real-world samples. Think of GANs as two neural networks competing, a generator creating images and a discriminator trying to spot fakes. Over time, the generator gets better, producing hyper-realistic content. VAEs take a different approach. They encode data into a compressed format, then reconstruct it, allowing smooth variations in generated content. Transformers like GPT-4 generate text by predicting the next word based on context. Meanwhile, diffusion models like Stable Diffusion create images by refining random noise into structured visuals. Now let's talk implementation. If you're a developer, you can start with TensorFlow or Keras for GANs and VAEs. PyTorch is preferred for research and diffusion models. Hugging Face transformers offer plug-and-play generative models. And for AI-generated images, you can use Stable Diffusion and DALL-E APIs. Let's outline a simple workflow to train a generative model. First, collect data. Choose a dataset. It could be images, text, or music. Next, select a model, whether it's a GAN, VAE, or transformer. Then, train the model using GPU acceleration for efficiency. After that, fine-tune and optimize by adjusting hyperparameters for better results. Finally, deploy your model. Serve it via APIs or integrate it into applications. Generative models are already shaping industries. Here's where they shine. Image generation, AI art, face editing. Text generation, AI copywriting, code completion. Music and audio, AI composers, voice cloning, game generation. While exciting, generative AI comes with challenges. Bias and misinformation. AI can inherit biases from data. Deepfakes and copyright issues, ethical concerns in media, computational costs. Training models is expensive. The future is bright. AI is evolving fast with multimodal models combining text, images, and sound. The question is, what will you build with it? That's a wrap on generative models for developers. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and start coding your own generative AI projects today.